So in this e-learning, I'm going to show you how to add a new task. I'm going to go for tasks, top menu, and task file. First thing, of course, I would recommend is for a search. I'm going to add deworming. I don't have it here. I'm going to refresh my screen. And I'm also going to sort based on the task I filter, just making sure it does not exist in my database. I'm going to add a new task, click on the bottom. Name is what is going to show in the invoice. Nickname is optional, how you call it internally. Administrator, I usually put as appointed. Category, I'm going to say that it's vet supply. Select. Profit center, I'm not using for this demo, so I'm just put general. Cost rule, you can explore later and you can add cost rules. There's a session only about that. In my case, I'm going to say cost plus 7. The invoice appropriation is going to be based on retail cost. Also, we have a e-learning only about that. Price rule, likewise. I'm going to use this one only to say it's going to be my cost plus 100% markup. Tax, no tax. The based on, also another e-learning about this, so you can explore later. No commission on this example. And these is more the side for features that are related to advanced options in your inventory. Maybe if you don't have those modules, these fields probably will not be available. Also, for advanced inventory features, you're going to have the option to decide the classification. If it's not your case, you don't have to do these settings. You should stick with the minimum. At this point, before I go for units, I'm going to just save, not save and close, which is going to enter my code in the project. So now I can play with my unit management. I'm going to add a unit management for this one. I'm going to add the base unit. First, I'm going to say that the base unit is milliliters. Now that I have a new base unit, I can get rid of this. It's only possible to delete base units only if they have never been used yet. If they have been used, we're going to do a learning session how to make them inactive so they don't show. But since it's a new version, it's a new product and have been used, so the program allows me to delete them. At this point here, if I had different concentrations, I would add different concentrations under the base unit. We're going to have also an e-learning about that. But at this point here, what I'm going to do is to add containers. And I'm going to put here bottle with 1,000 milliliters. I'm going to say 1 liter bottle. And this is going to be entered. So now I have my bottle. I can now come back here. At this point, if you do not have the advanced features, you can manually set the cost. I'm going to set the cost for this one here as 10 cents per milliliter. Update them all. So now my cost is updated. And this is the time also that I can update my retail price. I'm going to here manually put $2. I'm forcing this, update to all of them. So now $2 is set as the price. And at this point, you could start adding your default quantities. That would be the moment when you can start adding. I will not do that, and I'm just gonna save and close. So here now you have learned how to enter new task files to your database. So now we should have, if I sort by the task ID number and I check again so I have it in a reversed order, you're gonna see my deworm item right there with all the descriptions. This is it. Thanks for watching.